Hi friends, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. Today is another Saturday. Ang bilis-bilis. It is already August 29, I guess. I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, I guess August 29. So, ang bilis. It's going to be September na. Magbe-bear na, guys. And malapit na magpasko. I don't know kung paano yung Pasko natin this year. Kasi with all the crisis that we are facing right now, definitely iba talaga yung celebration ng Pasko ngayon. And especially sa mga people na fully affected ng pandemic. So, let's just pray and hope na mawawala na yung crisis na pinagdadaanan nating lahat ngayon this year, this 2020. Yeah. I really love Christmas, but I am feeling sad at the same time kasi yun nga, nasasad ako towards mga people na, you know, iba yung celebration, hindi masyadong the same yung celebration nila sa Pasko this year. So, ayun, I just hope na everybody is, having good health. Tapos, safe lang lagi. Yun lang naman talaga yung importante, diba? So, today pala is, as always, I'm having a hair client and I'm getting ready because it is already 7. So, she'll be here by 9 as usual. So, yeah. I'm happy to see you all and I will see you later. I'm just going to quickly get ready. I forgot to press the record button and I'm done. Hello. So guys, I just quickly curl my hair like this because I wanted a curly hair. So it is like mga 5 to 9. But my client's still not here, so I'm just gonna drink my coffee. And my outfit for today is this one. I'm gonna show you guys quickly. So this is so cute. So this is my outfit. Simple jeans. And what I love with this outfit is this t-shirt. I really love this t-shirt. It's so cute. I don't know what character is this one, but I think it's from sa line na mga stickers ganyan. I have a white shirt like this also, pero iba yung niya. Basta ito, it's so cute and it's something that I cannot read backwards. I don't know. Basta hiragana. Ayan. O diba? Bye.
I called you tonight. I've been thinking this for too long. Send a message, you don't reply. I keep looking for you, even if it's wrong. I'm sitting all alone in my room. You're stuck so hard in my head. I don't care if there's no chance. I need to find you. I need to know
Diba? Bongga si ate girl. Hello friends! Oh my god, look at my... Wait lang, look at my hair. It's like... it's not curly anymore. So, it's my lunchtime. Tapos na ang aking first client. And yeah, it's mag-aalauna na. So, I still have 1 hour break para sa next client natin. So, I'm just gonna quickly eat and chill and drink my coffee, no? Kasi, nag-coffee pala ako kaninang umaga. Konti lang, pero mabilis ang coffee lang yun. So, now it's time to, oh, that one. Ay, saan na? Napuritan? Ako alam ko, bolognese. Yeah, Ruthie's gonna prepare my foodie. Thanks, Ruth! So, yan. Pareha rabaw ka na lang sa ubos, katong flat. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Mabilis kaming natapos. Hindi ko alam bakit. So, umiyak ako ng bonggang-bongga kaya ganyan yung nangyari. Natanggal ang aking concealer. Kasi medyo mahapdi sa eyes yung Brazilian guys. So, I'm just gonna eat quickly para ready na din ako sa aking next client for today. So, hopefully I will see you all later. Here's my lunch. Ruki, ano sa'yo mag-lunch? Filler, wag ka magtarog lunch and coffee. Ayaw niya ng ganito eh. This is bolognese. I'm excited to eat. Itadakimasu. So, hello guys! I am finally done with my second client. So, hindi na ako masyadong nag-video kasi I am concentrating tapos nagchichika din kami. So, baka full na din yung aking cellphone, yung space niya. Baka hindi na kayanin. So, ayun. What else? So, it's already 9:30 in the evening. But, I don't know if I could still vlog more since it's already late, no? And I wanted to eat something lang, not heavy. Rookie asked me if I wanted to go to Joyful. Ang tagal na din namin hindi nakakain doon sa Joyful. But, wala din akong, appetite na kumain sa Joyful. Parang iniisip ko, ano ba yung kakainin ko sa Joyful? So, hindi ko din maisip. Wala akong gustong kainin. So, yeah. So, I'm not gonna go. We are not gonna go to Joyful. Siguro mag-ano na ako. Look at our cabinet na makalat. Maraming. Sabi niya, mo ba ni katong lami? Na ingon kang na noodle? Bro? Bro? Marami naman kami. Tapos meron pa din akong eto, yung anong tawag nito? Yung samyang. Yeah, pero di ba mo ni magingon na lami? Nay,
Yeah.
Daw, masarap daw yan. So, yan na lang yung kakainin ko. Tapos, ikaw?
Ganit ni.
Weird daw. Nag-iiba na naman yung yung usapan. So, ayan guys. So, I think, yeah. So, mag-good night na ba ako? Wait lang. So, guys, this is it. This is final. So, I think I'm gonna say good night now because hindi ko na kaya. I just wanted to relax and eat and not worry about talking in front of the camera. Although I really love talking in front of the camera, but wala na talagang power. So yeah, I think I'm going to say goodnight now, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Yasumi.